You have to write like this. Ready, beta? Write down b at bat. Follow my instructions. Start from third line. Go up. Make the loop. Come down. Again go up. Make the loop. Now don't lift the pencil up. Join A with it. Now join T with it without lifting the pencil. Very good. B at pat. Write down k at cat. Start from third line. Go up. Go back. Come down. Again go up. Very good. Come down. Go up. Come down. Now join T with it. Go up, go up. Come down. Very good. Cat. K at cat. Now write down F at fat. Start from third line. Go up. Make the loop. Come down to fourth line. Again go up. Make the loop. Now join A with it. Very carefully. Now join T with it. Without lift the pencil up. Very good. F at fat. Write down H at hat. Follow my instructions. Yes, go up. Make the loop. Come down to third line. Again go back on the same line. Yes, come down. Now join A with it without lifting the pencil. Very good. Yes, come down. Now join T with it. Hat. H at hat. Now write down M at mat. Start from third line. Go up to second line. Come down. Again go up. Come down. Again go up. Come down. Now join A with it. Don't lift the pencil up. Very good. Join A. Now join T with A. Very carefully. Very good. M at mat. Write down R at rat. Start from third line. Very good. Write down R. R. Now without lifting pencil, write down A. Now join T with it very carefully. Very good. R at rat.
Did you come to know how to write at sound words?
Yes, Mom. Thank you. You're so sweet. Now I come to know how to write at sound words. And I promise you that I will definitely get smiley from my teacher tomorrow.
So sweet. Love you, beta.
Love you, Mom.
Let's sleep.
Now, dear students, you have to write add sound words like this and send its picture to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.